Hey WellNerds! Did you know your gut bacteria can do more than help digestion? A new study shows certain gut bugs actually boost metabolism and keep your bones strong. Let's dive in, the host said, smiling. The host explained that as we age, our bones lose density, a condition called osteoporosis that raises fracture risk. Common factors include menopause, poor diet, and age itself. But now researchers say our gut microbiome plays a big role too. In a study of 684 Chinese adults, scientists at BGI Genomics tracked each person's gut bacteria and measured their bone mineral density, or BMD. Their work was published in NPJ Metabolic Health and Disease earlier this year, the host told us. The host reported that they found people with a Bacteroides dominant microbiome lost bone density faster with age than those with a Prevotella dominant mix. In other words, your gut enterotype can predict how quickly your bones weaken. Digging deeper, the team saw that higher BMD was linked to bacteria that boost two key compounds, L-arginine, an amino acid that makes nitric oxide, which slows bone breakdown, and Butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that fights inflammation and helps build bone, the host detailed. Specifically, bacteria in the Firmicutes group, like those from the Lachnospiraceae family, seem to do the heavy lifting, the host noted. They help balance metabolism and tame chronic inflammation, both vital for keeping bones strong. The host asked what can be done and explained that eating a fiber-rich diet, think fruits, veggies, and whole grains, feeds butyrate producers. Also, foods high in L-arginine, like nuts and seeds, may help. Of course, talk to your doctor before making big changes. Smiling, the host concluded, that's the scoop on how your gut bugs can power up your bones. If you found this helpful, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple health science. Stay curious. Stay healthy. See you next time on WellNerd.